Hello, it's a beautiful day, so I thought I'd just take you outside and show you what we're up to in the garden. As you can see, I'm just in the kitchen, which is a bit of a unfinished mess at the moment, but this is quite far down on our list of jobs, to be honest, because the kids are still so young. They tend to trash a lot of stuff, and we thought there's no point having a perfectly finished kitchen while they're still causing carnage. So I'm just taking you outside the side door and down our alleyway next to the new extension, which is here, and out into our garden. Now you will have to excuse the mess. The kids we flattened all of this basically, so before we started this project we had layers in this garden, but when we were moving rubble around we decided to completely flatten it, creating a football pitch, which I have to say is very well used. We've made this makeshift goal, which the kids absolutely love, and that's keeping them busy for the time being, but as you can see it's a bit of a mess. So we've been thinking about the best way to tidy it up and clean it up. We know that we want to put a deck in here. We've taken away the old patio and created a storage space underneath, and we want a deck to go where the patio originally was, so that we can come out of these bifold doors here onto that decking area, and it'll also join the room up with our lounge. But obviously we've got the rest of the garden now. We've had these Lalandi trees here, which were put in about 8 years ago when we moved into the house, and they unfortunately have had, there's either some animals or some people, who knows, that have made a bit of a hole in the back here, so we had to do something about that anyway. So we started considering our options and actually decided that the best thing to do would be to replace all of it with fence. So I've just been out here measuring it up, and because we've had this nice unexpected weather in the UK, we're hoping this weekend to try and get that job started, putting the new fence in. Then we can remove all of those trees. It'll give us another probably 4 or 5 foot in the garden, which is great. Then we can sort out this lawn, create a patio down here. This was a slope before. We filled that with some of the rubble. We'll put some topsoil on the rest of the garden, and we'll use the slabs that used to be on the patio over there down here to create a patio. One of the main reasons being that this is where we get the sun at the end of the day, so we'll be able to enjoy sundowners in the corner here. So yeah, that's just a little update. Hopefully bring you some progress soon, but as ever when you're doing it in the spare time it does take a bit of time, but we want to do it right. We're really inspired by what we've managed to achieve in our ensuite with the tiling, and we'd like to replicate the same out here. So if you enjoyed this video, as always, please do give it the thumbs up, and please come back very soon. Bye bye.